Hello, here's a second look at this Kirk Revolution bicycle, magnesium bike, assembled by Dawes. I've done a whole lot of cleaning to the bike, the drivetrain, for instance, and got right in between, actually removed the chain rings and got in there. A lot of nooks and crannies on the frame itself, and I had to get into those. I'm not 100% certain of the condition of the frame because there's a kind of wobble as you ride. Some of the forums indicate that's a totally normal thing on these bikes, but I'm going very cautiously in local parks when I ride the bike. And the forks were incredibly dirty and hard to clean actually, so I got at them persistently and they're looking nice now. Steel forks. And there's a Reynolds 501 handlebar. Not sure about the forks themselves. They just say chromoly. So, very interesting frame. And I've been reading a little bit about the history of it online. Apparently Kirk himself worked for the Ford Motor Company. Next video, I think the bike will be completely restored, so I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.